Is your sink draining slow? This is a hair snake and I'm going to show you how to unclog your sinks. First, you want to remove the sink stopper. We didn't do that in our case. We were in a bit of a hurry, but it makes it a little bit easier. You want to put on some gloves because it can get really dirty and gross. The first thing you want to do is gently push the hair snake straight down the drain. You don't want to force it. You can twist it a little bit and then make sure it slides in. And then you want to twist the snake slightly so that the hair will get caught on the grooves, and then you can pull it out slowly. This hooks the hair onto the snake and pulls the gunk out of the pipe. And you can see all the gross hair that comes out. You can repeat this until the snake comes out clean. You can run some hot water to flush it, and then you should be done. This can prevent future clogs, and you want to clean it often to keep your drain running smoothly. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you'll subscribe.